sure I made a short about this. Last time I was doing this, because I started off video, but my audio wasn't on, so you couldn't hear my voice. So, let's retry this again. And yes, this time we're gonna check my audio, but I'm pretty sure it's on because I saw that it was on. So, let's go. Okay, so let's do this again. Let's turn back now, okay? Where the heck? It just came back. And now there's a person in all black. No, that's gray. And it just disappeared. Oh my goodness. I kind of knew this is happening. And also because I played this game like a million times because I love this game. I just wanted to show it to you guys. But last time, the audio wasn't working. So let's go. Okay. Let's go. These parts always like get me active because I feel like it's chasing me right now. But it's actually not. And he's right behind me, go. Okay, good. And I'm pretty sure that you just haven't. I'm pretty sure you've seen it because I have 11 views. Or 12. I don't know how many views I have on that video. 7, I think. But anyways, I'm redoing it again because my audio wasn't working. Which I'm very mad about. Which also my family thought that it was funny. So I guess that's funny. So if you guys already seen it, just think of it as a new one, just with my voice. Because my voice wasn't working last time. But anyways, let's go. And if you want a picture of my bunny, I would probably give a picture of that when I'm mostly more at it. So yeah. Really cute. And she's so small. So she's getting bigger. We're thinking of taking her to the vet this week, kind of Wednesday, because she's a little bit of aggressive. After that, we're getting her another bunny, which I'm very happy about, because I'll be an owner of 2. Okay. So, pretty sure when I get my other bunny, I'll show you a picture of them together, so I don't have to keep doing separate ones. So yeah. So I'm gonna show you a picture of them together. Dang it, it's dying. Oh God. Anyways, as I was saying, when I get my other bunny, maybe. I don't know yet. But when I get my other bunny, I'm pretty sure I'll show you a picture of it. Because I want to show you guys a picture of them next week. But if I don't get a bunny, then I'm not going to be able. I'm just going to show you a picture of her alone. Okay, anyways, let's actually get. Oh, dang it! I done it first try. Ugh. Okay, it's someone's in here. Sorry for the background noise. It's going crazy. She's loving around. And she just wants to be in my bed. But she was on my bed this morning. So she's either eating bread or has the puppies. Or puppies. Yeah. Okay, let's keep going. Oh no, this is my least favorite part. Oh my God, I'm probably gonna die. Oh, I'm scared. I don't like this part at all. Go. Okay. Oh gosh, he's right there. Sorry that I don't know if you can hear me or not. That scared me. Well, my audio it wasn't working on my last video. I got it back. Oh my god, first try. But now I think I'm gonna die. I did it. Oh my goodness. My heart is literally racing right now. If you guys could hear it, I would definitely let you hear it. But yeah, you can. I kept dying on this part too. I'm pretty sure you guys already know that. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, I forgot where the wrench is. I think I thought like the not moving one, but all the moving. Oh wait, no, that was another thing. Oh my gosh. Okay. I just don't know anything. Okay. Okay. Go down. Okay. Oh, geez, that scared me. And I just died. Dang it. I'm not even touching it. Like, okay, maybe I was. Because I was under it. Yes. What the heck? I didn't. How did I even. Go. Go. I did it. Yes. The kitchen. Oh gosh, it's the kitchen. Help me. That's the part that's really why did they help me? Probably because this is like crazy pictures. And there's a crazy people back there. And there's some skip ranger that scared me. I just don't like seeing around and being oh wow, I actually did it. I wonder why. I just don't know why he likes me. I went to that, like, jump. Yes, I did it. I almost just, like, bounced off or something like that. Yes, I did it! Okay, oh my gosh. I hope I, like, don't die. And I want to see if it just, like, automatically put you there. Or, wait, what? It says you back here? I did not know that. No, I did not know that. Dang it, now I have to do everything again. I mean, this part is... I don't know if it's easy, but it's really not easy. Yes. Oh gosh. Oh wait. OMG, I did not know you could go up here. I did not know that. I'm on the top of the roof. Oh my gosh, I'm on the top of the roof. Oh my goodness, I did not know this. This is crazy. Like, I did not know that you could go on top of here. Oh my gosh, I did not know that. Like, I did not know that you could go on top of here. And I just died. Please tell me that I like not respond back to me. Okay, let's try going on top of there again. I just want to go with something. I know I never go on top of there. Let's try just going on there again. Jump, baby, jump. And this is the only one that's working. It's crazy. Can I get up that one? Dang it, no. Dang it. Dying at this part. Maybe I should not try going at it. But I really want to see, like, how that works. Oh gosh. No! That was too fast. No! Too fast. there again. I don't think I am moving. Oh gosh, no, I think I need to jump into this one. Go, 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 go. Take it, take it, take it, take it. Go. Yes, go. And then... Wait, you can go in there again? Oh my gosh, I did not know that. Like, seriously, that's pretty cool. For this odd, scary game. Wait, it's nighttime now. It was late outside last time I was here. That's crazy. No, not this one. Not this one. Not this one. I think it was. Gosh. I think it was this one. Yes, it was this one. Okay, let's go back. That's crazy, though. I didn't never know that. Now, this is the part that I died at. Okay. Wait, no! Oh my God. Are you serious? I've done it. I think I'm just going to go on this game forever. I think I'm just going to live on this game on YouTube. Trying to get all of this part. I was there. I'm telling you, I was there. But like, oh my God, no. Oh, but seriously, I can't get past this part. It was so easy, but like now, if I die, I'm just gonna... No, dang it. Okay. I did it. Okay, I did it. Now, don't die on this part. Okay? You hear me, this Roblox character? Okay, good. I'm secure. And I was going to... I knew I was supposed to go on this part. Wait, I should have done that. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do it. I want to try it. If I okay. I just wanted to try something, but I can't anymore. Okay, jump. Oh wait, wrong time. Jump. Wait, no. Climb. This way. And this is the part that I was able to. Oh wait, I did it my first try. Yay. Go. Jump. Exit. Okay, the exit is over here. Oh no. Okay. I'm too scared to do this part alone. I need one of my friends here with me, but none of my friends are here with me. So I think I'm just going to say I'm going to end the video here. And I'm on top of the pizza shop again. Wait a minute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No, I'm doing this part again. No. Are you serious? Okay, I'm just gonna die. I didn't know that I could just go back here again. That's crazy. What? No. Okay, guys, I think I'm just gonna end the video here because I already did this part. I did do this part, okay? I got to the ending, which was too scared to do, so I'm just gonna end this right here. Remember, guys, like and subscribe. And please subscribe. I only have 8 subscribers. Yeah, please subscribe and like. And if I get at least 5 or 6, if I get at least like 6 likes, I will try to find the scariest game on Roblox. Okay? Bye. Remember, always be a fairy.